I get my bottle when I do pills. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel.
Y'all, I've gotten bad at doing lashes, like putting on lashes, so like don't look at them too much. Don't look at them too hard. Welcome back. It's Celena Marie and I'm back with another video. So I wanted to make this video of what's in my book bag so that you guys can see what I keep in my book bag. But it's heavy, so we're gonna have to figure something out to make it less heavy, because last year I was struggling with the heavy backpack and I don't understand what the weight is. So I got all my supplies from Amazon this year. I didn't feel like going out, so all the links for the supplies will be down below. The new supplies, at least some of them I just reused because it's really not that serious. But this is going to be my senior year, so I'm going to tell you guys everything you guys need for high school, like in your book bag. And I will be doing a what's in my school emergency kit. But like, comment, and subscribe as well while you're at it, and follow me on all my socials. Will be right here and the links will be down below. So first off, in this zip pocket, by the way, this was in my haul video. Anyways, so in this little pocket I have the things that didn't fit in the school emergency kit. So, oh, I forgot the fan. I have like this mini fan that I got, like a portable mini fan. I keep it in here too. But yeah, that will come in handy during the summertime, bro. But anyways, so I have my lens cleaner for my glasses. Then I have tissues. And then I have lotion. This stuff does come in handy. Just get a small little lotion. Then in the other pockets, it has like other pockets over here. I have a calculator. This will come in handy. Get a big eraser, because you'll definitely need an eraser, and get a sharpener. Because even though you use lead pencils, get a sharpener, because you never know if you're going to need to use a number 2 pencil. And then, so these will be down below. I always get 5-star every year. So I got a black and white notebook. It came in 2. I only have 4 classes this year. Then, so since I said, I think these are huge. Like, I think I had smaller ones before, but I didn't notice that they had like little trapezoid stuff on them, bro. But anyways, I got like a 6-pack of notebook because I couldn't get smaller for like a good price. I was trying to be as cheap as possible. But so I took these 4 out because these are the only colors that I like. The other ones were like green and stuff, but I mainly just like white and black and gray. That's my aesthetic, if you guys didn't know that. But I have 4 folders for 4 classes. Then I got a monthly planner because I thought I should actually use something instead of putting it in my notes. But it's just a regular planner. I don't like the school planners. They're so small and like not aesthetically pleasing. You know what I mean? For the first time I got a pencil case. Well, not first time, but like first time in a little bit. I got a pencil case, and in the pencil case, this is from Shein. It will be down below in the description, by the way. I probably should have gotten a bigger pencil case, but it's okay. I stuffed them in there. Always carry a Sharpie. Carry a Sharpie. You might need a Sharpie, trust me. But that's old, so. And then I just have highlighters of every color. There's also a purple, but you can't see anything in the purple, so I don't know why people get purple. But you need highlighters. This will come in handy remembering like notes and stuff. Like I'm telling you, highlighters just make everything better, and you like can remember like colors and stuff with the highlighters. Those I got last year, so I have no idea what the link would be. I probably got that from Walmart. So this is old too. It's just one number 2 pencil because I don't use them, but I might need it one day, like if you're only allowed to use a number 2 pencil or something. Then for the first time I got the ballpoint like paper matte pencils, bruh. These are the best lead pencils, and I've never gotten them because they're always like the more expensive. But like, girl, we ballin'. This is senior year. Like, I don't even care anymore. Then I got like these ballpoint. I love ballpoint. Like, I don't know if you guys notice that, but I love ballpoint stuff. Like the regular pens, like these, they're so boring. But the ballpoint, like they're like the little, you know, I don't know how to explain it. But ballpoint pens are so much better to write with. Like, I feel like the writing is just so much better. But I got every color because, like, as I said, the notes will come in handy being colorful. These are all the colors that came in it. So I think it was 8. so the link to that will be down below as well. So this will be down below as well. I got this on Amazon, but they're just wipes. Like, I thought it was gonna be like a travel size, so I looked up travel size and I thought they were gonna be smaller than this, but I should have known like 50 wipes are not gonna come in a freaking travel size. But anyways, it's gonna come in handy. Just trust me on that. It's gonna come in handy. There's so many times I need wipes. Like, people have squirted ketchup on me by accident and had to wipe my freaking shoes, bruh. But anyways, this is just my wallet. You know, cards, cash, all that. Your keys, always bring your keys and your AirPods and your ID. It's best to have your ID on your keys, low key, or in your wallet. And then I just have my work ID card. Then, AirPods on your keys come in handy too. Bring that everywhere and you have your AirPods everywhere. Then this is my school emergency kit. I got this on Shein. Link will be down below. Buying things on Shein is so much easier, but like Amazon is easier because Shein is just cheap. Amazon is easier for like supplies. These will come in handy for all the gals that need anything just throughout the day. There's been days where I needed all of this, but I want to take the time to tell you guys about Psycho. This is not a paid video. It's called My Psycho Club. They're so amazing. They send me a box every month around I have the hiccup, sorry, around my period time, and you're able to choose a kind of cookie, and I chose chocolate chip. So you're about to see, like, my dog is so bad with me. But anyways, so you're about to see empty food packets because I got the munchies last night. But you're able to choose a cup of cookie. Instead of Oreos, I chose chocolate chip cookie this time. And you're able to choose a chips, and you're able to choose a chocolate, and then you're also able to choose a sweet candy, like, you know, sweet, sour, whatever. And then you're able to choose if you want pads, tampons. You're able to mix it up. You're able to do all that. And you're able to choose like liners. And then you're also able to choose a like pain med. I usually use Tylenol. I usually pick Tylenol, but I didn't pick it this time because I have so many Tylenol packs. First off, I say bring bobby pins because your hair might get messy and you're gonna need bobby pins, for real. Like, trust me, girl, trust me. And bring a chapstick. I'm so tired of like putting my one chapstick in my bag and mixing it to the other bag, taking it out when I need it at home. Like, so I just put a new chapstick in here. Then I have a lip gloss, a clear lip gloss, because I'm tired of doing that too. I might as well just keep it in my bag. Then I have a tiny deodorant in case I forget or I start stinking. This is what I'm saying I'm gonna keep in my purse. I'm gonna keep out because I like having it in my purse. So this is just an Advil pack box, but I don't use Advil, it's just old. And then I have a whole bunch of ibuprofen in here. So bring like a small pack of pain meds. You can get travel size on Amazon. Bring a panty in case you mess up your panties because you start your period at school. Trust me on that. Bring a pad and panty liner, just in case you start your period at school. Then I would also say bring sanitizer because you need to be cautious of your health, bro. Bring a hair tie. You could bring multiple if you think you'll need multiple, but I always wear one, so I'm just gonna have extra just in case. And then bring a mask, an extra mask if you wear masks. If you have lash extensions, I say bring a thingy, lash brush, whatever this is called. Bring gum, because you're gonna want gum throughout the day. You're gonna want gum. And then I got these tiny perfumes. I did a TikTok about this where you could get like a whole pack of these small perfume samples. And carry your glasses. I always carry my glasses. Make sure you carry your glasses. Don't forget your glasses. So I just got this at the mall from Victoria's Secret, pink. It's just a water bottle. Keeps your water cool, and I hate when my water gets hot, so that's why I have to get this. Then we just have my school Chromebook that they gave us. My laptop is really heavy and I broke my other one from bringing it to school, so I'm not doing that again. So then we have the charger for the Chromebook. You definitely need to have a laptop or a Chromebook, whatever you decide. Oh, this is where my comb is. So bring a comb. If your hair needs a comb, bring a comb. You'll need that comb. And I think that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick little haul video and what's in my backpack. Love talking to y'all. See you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Follow me on all social media links and turn on that post notification bell so you know when I post next. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.